So the pattern of this piece is these two chords. The first is called a G major 7th chord because you have the 3 notes in a G chord, that's G, B, and D, plus you have an F sharp, which is the interval of a major 7th away from the root, and that's how the chord got its name. Then you do the exact same thing with an F chord. There's F, A, C, you add the major 7th, which is an E. Now you create by playing each of these chords for 4 beats each and play the right hand notes in any rhythm you like. Of course, you can play them blocked or broken. Now, you can also change the top note of these chords to make melodies. How I'm holding down the notes here, but I'm altering the top note. So how do I know which notes to play? Well, with the G major 7 chord, any note in the key of G, and with the F chord, any note in the key of C. Although technically speaking, you're in the F Lydian mode since F is in the bass. So, with the vacation, you've got 2 different chords. You've got an E minor 7th chord. So here's an E minor chord, and you add a 7th, and you go to a D minor 7th chord. And you create in the exact same ways. You can play the right hand in different rhythm, blocked or broken, and again you can change the top note. In this case it's E minor, and in this case back to white keys, and that would technically be a D Dorian mode. So one other thing you might consider doing is inverting the right hand notes. So here I'm going to put the B on top, and that gives me a different sound, especially when I change the top notes to make melodies. Now I can invert those notes again. So now I'm playing F sharp B D. So in this way I can play all over the piano, and so can you. Enjoy.